Lacey. Today I will be showing you how to make a Valentine's Day box. First, you need a box. You can find them at the dollar store, maybe the 99-cent store. So you open the box and you pick out some of your favorite candies. I like chocolate, so I have a lot of chocolate. We have some Tootsie Rolls, and they even have little sayings like "Be Mine." You probably can't see it, but it says "Be Mine." We have these little 6-lids, and these are my favorite. I think these are truffles, and some Sour Patch. Okay, so first I'll start with the Sour Patch. You just put it, place it in the box to the side, and then we'll do some of the chocolate hearts. We'll put this down in there. We'll do the Tootsie Rolls. We'll do the truffles. We'll do some of the 6-lids. Add some of these. And then to top it off, we'll put this right here, so when they open the box, they'll see this. Buddy hearts. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed this video.
Hi guys, I'm Jennifer with LAC Art. Today we're going to be making Valentine cards. We have 2 pieces of paper we'll be cutting out, and then we can decorate it with this. You're going to need scissors and glue. So first we're going to cut out your card. Be careful with the scissors though when you use them. And you guys could just print these out if you like, whatever print you want on them to make your cards for Valentine's. So after you cut it, you're going to go ahead and just fold it in half. And then for this one, we're going to use construction paper. So you just fold it in half, or however big you want your heart on the inside. We're going to make a heart to put on the inside of the card. You just fold your paper in half so you guys can cut your heart out. So here you have your heart. You guys can put it on this side, that side. I'm going to put it in the middle. So when the card opens, you have your heart in there. Just put glue on the back. Okay, so that'll be in the middle. Close your card. And once you open it, it's there. And then you can write whatever you want for Valentine's. That's your Valentine's card. So for the next one, we'll do the same thing, cut this one out. We're going to fold this one in half too. And then you can get any picture you want to put inside of the card. Today we're going to use the llama. I'm going to cut it so it'll fit. And we're going to do the same with this one. We're just going to put glue on it so it'll stay. just press down on it so it'll stay. Fold it. And there you go. You have your other Valentine's Day card. You can write whatever you want on there. They're fast and easy to make. Hope you guys enjoyed it.